Alright everyone, so now we are back in with another video. This is video number 2 on the day. And now what I have for everyone is my full review of the faux carbon fiber case for the Moto G9 Power. Okay, I've been using this case just as long as I've been reviewing the device. And again, I feel like I've gathered all my thoughts and opinions on this case, and I'm going to share it with everyone in this video, and I will let y'all know by the end of the video if this case is worth picking up alongside the device, or maybe you should just rock with the included case that comes with the device. I'm going to let you know my thoughts and opinions in this video and let you know if it's worth it coming up right now. Now, starting off, the first thing I want to talk about with everyone is the overall build quality and design of the case itself. So we got to pop it off to talk about that. And this gives you an overall idea of how easy it goes off and how easy it goes on. So you can see it pops off fairly easily. No struggles there. And you can see in terms of the build, this is built primarily out of your different texturized TPU unibody plastic. So you can see we got that brushed finish going down the middle, and then we have faux carbon fiber up at the top and faux carbon fiber down at the bottom, so it's not real carbon fiber. And then on the inside we have our diamond shock absorption pattern. This helps with drops if you drop the device while it's in the case. Alright, so in terms of the overall build quality, I have to say it is top notch. Now, I'll have the name of the company who actually made this case thrown up in post when we talk about the overall pricing and availability, but I couldn't pronounce the name of this company to save my life, and I'm not going to torture everyone's ears by trying, so it is what it is. But the overall build quality on this case, I would say, is top notch. And in terms of the design, I'm very biased when it comes to cases with this design. So again, the case design is top notch as well. All right. Up next, moving on, let's talk about the overall fit and feel. So y'all saw just how easily it came off the device. And in terms of putting it on the device, it goes on just as easy. All right. Something on the screen. Let me clean that off. So you can see it goes on the device just as easy. Talking about the overall fit and feel, the fit and feel is top notch. So you can see fits on perfectly, and we have all of our necessary cutouts. So a nice cutout for our camera lenses, a nice cutout for our fingerprint sensor. Okay, we got all the cutouts for the speaker grill, the charging port, one of the microphones. We also have a nice cutout for the headphone jack, the secondary microphone. All that good stuff is here. And in terms of protection, because that's the next place we're going, you can see we got that nice protective lip going around the entire device. So if I drop it, that display is fine. Okay, and the same thing for the back. You can see we got that nice raised lip protecting the fingerprint sensor, and we got that nice raised lip protecting the cameras. Again, so if I drop it, we're fine. Okay, so in terms of the overall fit and feel, and in terms of the overall protection, this case is top notch. Top notch indeed. And I could tell y'all, because I use cases like this on a daily basis, that when we talk about the protection in terms of screen protector friendliness, okay, again, this is the Moto G Power 2020, pretty much same style of case here, okay, and this one is extremely screen protector friendly. So if the newer model is any indication, then this older one should work out no problem, and it should be extremely screen protector friendly. Okay. Okay. So in terms of the protection, should be good to go. In terms of the overall fit and feel, top notch. Okay. Now let's keep it moving here. Let's go. Now up next, now this will be the area of the video where I point out all the positives and the negatives of the case. Okay. Now in terms of the positives, really good overall build quality and design, really good overall fit and feel. Okay, this makes this device feel phenomenal in the hands, and it adds some much needed grip. Without this case on the device, it's got a nice texture to it, but it's kind of slippery. So top-notch build quality and design, top-notch fit and feel, and top-notch in terms of the protection. And this is available at a phenomenal price. Okay, price is something we're going to talk about in a few seconds here. Now, jumping over to the negatives, I haven't really experienced any. I've been rocking this bad boy for about 2.5 weeks. Haven't experienced any negatives with this case. Okay? Now, I am not perfect, and I never claim to be. So if you pick up this device, you pick up this case, you spot a negative, you watch this video, and I didn't mention the negative, or you spot a positive, and I didn't mention that positive, please leave that feedback down below. All feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. Just keep it respectful, please. And I have a full list of the positives and the negatives thrown up in post as well. Okay? But in terms of the negatives, I really haven't experienced any in my time with this device and in my time with this case. Okay? So no negatives here to speak of whatsoever. Now, moving on to the final part of this video, and this is where I have to say I do apologize because I made a mistake in the full review of the Moto G9 Power. I told y'all this case was about 14 bucks. No. I looked at the screenshots and my receipt after the video. This case was about $4 and about 75 cents. This is why I put the screenshots up in post so y'all know exactly what I paid for these things, because I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. And I'm not ashamed to say when I make a mistake and own up to it. So I do apologize. I made a mistake in the full review, and I'm correcting that here in this full review of the case. So this case ran me about $4.77. Now, that's before taxes, and that's before using my Amazon gift cards. After taxes and using Amazon gift cards, I got this case for free. Okay? So essentially, all I really paid for in terms of this device and case combination is the device itself. All right? But at that price of, I believe it was $4.77. Again, check out the screenshots I'll have thrown up in post, because we're all about keeping it straight 100 around here. But for that price of a little bit over $4 or a little bit under $5, can I recommend that y'all pick up this case? I would have to say yes. Okay? Yes, indeed. Okay? Especially if you're picking up this device and you want full protection for your device with some much needed grip, then I can definitely recommend you guys and gals go out there and pick up this case. It's not going to break the bank, and it should give you that full protection with maximum functionality still. All right? So once again, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this case for your Moto G9 Power? I would have to say yes. Yes, indeed. All right, everyone. This officially brings to a close my coverage on the Moto G9 Power. Okay? I'm going to be offloading all of the footage that I shot with it so I can finish up some other editing for some other videos. Then we're going to factory reset it. And as I said in the full review, I got an offer from a friend of mine that I could not refuse. So we're going to send it on down the line. Let them get some good usage out of it, and I hope they enjoy it. And I hope y'all find my coverage of the device helpful. All right? It's one of the reasons why I make the videos the way I do, because when I sell a product, I also send the person who bought the product from me links to all my videos. So I say, if you have any questions or if you're confused about anything, check out the videos. I am a YouTuber, and I send them all the links to the videos. And I let them know that certain videos are timestamped, so if there's something that they want to know more about, it's probably in the video. If you watch the video, scrub through the video, and you still can't find the answer you're looking for, hit me up, leave me a comment on YouTube. Hit me up in my messenger. Hit me up on, send me a regular text message. Phone call me, video chat. When you buy something from me, okay, this is just me. I pride myself on making sure the customer has an overall enjoyable experience, okay? So when you buy something from me, I want to make sure that you truly enjoy it and you know exactly how everything works. This way you can just pick it up and start using it to your heart's content. So that's one of the reasons why I make the videos the way I do, and that's why I'm so passionate about giving people good deals. All right? All right. So as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to all of my extended coverage on the case and the device, as well as the affiliate links, so y'all can pick this up for a really great price, will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded in video pro mode with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Again, this was with no external audio hooked up, but I have the audio primarily set to be pulling audio from the front of the device, so it should be picking up my voice, if I could talk, extremely well. But please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below, because as always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just keep it respectful, please. All right? Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. All right, where's my SIM removal tool? I'm going to go ahead and move my SIM over to the next device, and we're going to start testing something else. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace. We're out of here.